In last class I am explained up to example third question, fourth, fifth and sixth question. Fourth, fifth question is not there in your syllabus. Sixth question also I am explained. Today I will continue exercise problems, that is exercise 2.1. Exercise 2.1. In that first question, if x divided by 3 plus 1, y minus 2 divided by 3 is equal to 5 divided by 3, 1 divided by 3. Find the values of x and y. Find the values of x and y. Write down given x divided by 3 plus 1, y minus 2 divided by 2 by 3 is equal to 5 by 3, 1 divided by 3. Here two order pairs are equal. Two order pairs are equal. Order pairs are equal. Then the corresponding elements are equal. Then the corresponding elements are equal. Then the corresponding elements are equal. According to that, x by 3 plus 1 is equal to 5 by 3. X by 3 plus 1 is equal to 5 by 3, and y minus 2 divided by 3 is equal to 1 by 3 is equal to 1 divided by 3. Now minus 1 ಅನ್ನು ಆ ಕಡೆ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ x by 3 is equal to 5 by 3 minus 1. Then x by 3 is equal to, if I am cross multiply, then 5 minus 3 divided by 3, that is x divided by 3 is equal to 5 minus 3 means 2 divided by 3. Here 3 get cancelled. Then x is equal to 2. Next one, if I am shifting 2 minus 3 into right hand side, then I will get 1 by 3 plus 1 divided by 3 plus 2 divided by 3. Here in the denominator 3 is common. Then 1 plus 2, that is y is equal to 3 divided by 3. 3 get cancelled. Y is equal to 1. And x is equal to 2. Thus the value of x and y are x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. This is the required solution. Okay, write down. Next one, second question. In second question, Second question, if the set A has three elements, and the set B is equal to 3, 4, 5, then find the number of elements in A cross B Cartesian product of A and B. Then find the value of Cartesian product of find the number of elements in Cartesian product of A and B. Write down given in the set A has three elements, and in the set B is equal to 3, 4, 5. Here also 3 elements is there. Here also 3 elements is there. 3 elements are there. Therefore, the number of elements in A cross B or Cartesian product of A and B, the number of elements in Cartesian product of A and B is equal to number of elements in set A into number of elements in set B. Number of elements in set A into number of elements in set B is equal to number of elements in set A is 3 elements into number of elements in set B is 3 elements. Therefore, the 3 3s are 9 elements. Therefore, the number of elements in Cartesian product of A and B is equal to 9. Therefore, this is the required solution. There are 9 elements in Cartesian product of A and B. Write down. Finally, therefore, there are 9 elements present in Cartesian product of A and B. This is the required solution. Write down. That is the required solution. Write down. That is the required solution. Next one, third question. That is, third question is, Third question. Third question is, if capital G is equal to, if capital G is equal to 78, capital G is equal to 78 and H is equal to, and H is equal to 542 and H is equal to 542, find G cross H, find G cross H and H cross G, find G cross H and H cross. It means cross ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಅದನ್ನು Cartesian product of G and H and also Cartesian product of H and D. Okay, write down given set G is equal to 78 and set H is equal to 542, then Cartesian product of G and H is equal to 7 is the 5 order pairs, so 7 comma 5, 7 comma 4, 7 comma 2, similarly 8 comma 5, 8 comma 4, 8 comma 2, that is the order pairs are 7 comma 5 comma 7 comma 4, next one 7 comma 2, next one 8 comma 5, 8 comma 5 comma 8 comma 4 comma 8 comma 2, 8 comma 2. This is the order pair of G and H. Now we have to calculate H, order pair of H comma G and H here set H is equal to, set H is equal to 542 and set G is equal to 78. Similarly 7 comma 5 comma 7, 5 comma 8, 4 comma 7, 4 comma 8, 2 comma 7, 2 comma 8, like that. H, Cartesian product of H and G is equal to 5 7, 5 8, next one 4 7, 4 8, next one 2 7, 2 8, 2 7, 2 8. This is the required solution. G and H and Cartesian product of G and H and Cartesian product of H and G. Okay, write down and also check your answer, next one, fourth question, that is fourth question is, fourth question is state whether each of the following statements statements are true or false, true or false, true or false if the statement is false, rewrite the statement correctly, rewrite the statement correctly. In that first sub question, if P is equal to m comma n and set Q is equal to n comma m, then Cartesian product of PQ is equal to mn comma nm. Second sub question, if set A and set B are non-empty sets, then A cross B is a non-empty set of ordered pairs, xy such that x belongs to capital A and y belongs to capital B. Third sub question, if set A is equal to 1 comma 2 and set B is equal to 3 comma 4, then A Cartesian product of A and B intersection null is equal to null. Write down the solution. First sub question ಗೆ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. ಅವನೇನೇ ಇದನ್ನೇ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಈಚ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಫಾಲೋವಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆರ್ ಟ್ರೂ ಆರ್ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್. ಇಫ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ದೆನ್ ರೀರೈಟ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ. ಟ್ರೂ ಇದ್ರೆ ಓಕೆ, ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ ಇದು ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ನ ಬರೀರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ. ಇಯರ್ if P is equal to Mn and Q is equal to Nm, then Cartesian product of P and Q is M comma N and N comma M ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ it is not true, it is false statement, because the Cartesian product of P and Q is M comma N, M comma M, N comma N and N comma M. Here also two elements is there, then Cartesian product of P and Q is totally 2 into 2 is 4 elements ಬರಬೇಕು. That is the given statement Cartesian product of P and Q is equal to Mn comma Nm or false statement here because in set P has two elements and also in set Q is also two elements is also two elements. Therefore Cartesian product of the number of elements in P, Cartesian product of PQ is, that is equal to number of elements in P and into number of elements in Q is equal to 2 into 2 is equal to 4. That is, set P is equal to Mn and set Q is equal to, set Q is also Nm. Then Cartesian product of P and Q, is M comma N comma M comma M N comma M. This is the required solution for first sub question. Write down first solution for first sub question. ದು ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. Next one, second sub question. That is, second sub question is, if set A and set B are non-empty sets, then A cross B is the non-empty set of order pairs xy such that x belongs to A and y belongs to set B. Okay, it is also true statement. Second one, second sub question, that is, A and B are given set A and set B are two non-empty sets, then Cartesian product of A and B is a non-empty set of ordered pairs xy such that x belongs to set A and y belongs to set B is correct statement or true statement or true statement ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, because first element belongs to set A, here first element belongs to set A and second element belongs to set B. In xy, in x comma y, first element is belongs to ಈಸ್ ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಟು, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಇದೇನು ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇಷ್ಟು ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಟು ಸೆಟ್ ಎ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಟು ಸೆಟ್ ಬಿ. ಅವನೇನೋ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿಲ್ಲ, ವೆದರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಟ್ರೂ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ವೆದರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಟ್ರೂ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಟ್ರೂ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್, if A is equal to 1, 2 and set B is equal to 3, 4, then Cartesian product of here given set A is equal to 1, 2 and set B is equal to 3, 4, then Cartesian product of set A and B intersection null is equal to null. This is right statement. Why? Because ನಾನು ಇದನ್ನು ರಫ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರಿತೀನಿ, ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ನಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೇನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ನಲ್ಲೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಈ ಸೆಟ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟು ಇರಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3, 4 ಇರುತ್ತೆ. 3, 4 ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ನಲ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾವ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟು ಕಾಮನ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ, ಹಂಗಾಗಿ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಲ್ ಸೆಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇದು ನಲ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಟ್ರೂ. ದೆನ್ ಕಾರ್ಟೇಷಿಯನ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ನಲ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಸೆಟ್ಟು ಇರಲ್ಲ, ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪೇರ್ಸ್ ಬರೆಯೋಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ದ ಗಿವನ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ, ಸೊ ದ ಗಿವನ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪೇರ್ ಕಾರ್ಟೇಷಿಯನ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಅಂಡ್ ನಲ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಎ ನಲ್. ಓಕೆ, that's why it is true statement. That's why it is true statement. Yes, this is next ಬೇಕಾರೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. A cross null is equal to null. Therefore any set into order pair of any set into null set or Cartesian product of set A and null set is again a null set. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ, Cartesian product of any set and null set is again a null. Therefore this statement is true. This is the solution for third sub question. Fourth one, in that third sub question, okay, write down. Next one, fifth question, Cartesian product of set A and set A and set A. It is not in your syllabus. That is triple product ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ತ್ರೀ ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನಲ್ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಈ ಸತಿ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ಇದ್ದ ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ದೇರ್ ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, sixth question. That is sixth question is, if Cartesian product of A and B is equal to A comma y, A comma x, A comma y, B comma x, B comma y, find A and B, find set A and set B. Here write down given Cartesian product of A and B is equal to A comma x, A comma y, B comma x, B comma y. Here first element, all the elements of first element belongs to set A, and second element in order pairs, in all the ordered pairs, first element is always represent set A and second element is always represent set B. Here in the ordered pairs, all the first elements represent set A and the second elements represents set B. Therefore ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ in A comma x belongs to Cartesian product of A and B. Here small a belongs to set A and x belongs to set B. Similarly x comma y belongs to Cartesian product of A and B. A belongs to set A and y belongs to set B. Same next one, b comma x belongs to Cartesian product of A and B. B belongs to set A and x belongs to set B. Here next one, b comma y belongs to Cartesian product of A and B. B belongs to set A and y belongs to set B. Here ಎಷ್ಟು different elements ಇದೆಲ್ಲ this is all represent set A and these all represent set B. Okay, now set A is equal to ಇಲ್ಲಿ A B B ಐತಿ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಒಂದು ಟೈಮ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬರಿತೀನಿ, ರಿಪೀಟೆಡ್ ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಬರೆಯಲ್ಲ. therefore A and B are the elements of set A and set B is equal to, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರೋ ಲೆಟರ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಅಂದರೆ x 2 times ಇದೆ, I am writing single time, y is also 2 times, that's why I am writing single time. That is the set A has A and B and set B has x and y are the elements of set A and set B. Okay, write down next one, seventh question. Seventh question, let set A is equal to 1 2, set B is equal to 1 2 3 4, set B is equal to 1 2 3 4, set C is equal to 5 6, and set D is equal to 5 6 7 8. Verify that in that first question, Cartesian product of set A and A intersection C is equal to Cartesian product of A and B intersection Cartesian product of A and C. This is first sub question, and the second sub question is Cartesian product of AC is a subset of Cartesian product of B and D. Write down the solution. First I am solving first sub question. That is, first sub question is given set A is equal to 1 2, set B is equal to 1 2 3 4, set C is equal to 5 6, and set D is equal to 5 6 7 8. This is the given, and also we have to prove that first one, that is B intersection C nodkolri. The B intersection C set B is 1 2 3 4, intersection C is 5 6. Therefore B intersection C is equal to, there is no common element between these two elements, therefore it is null set. Then Cartesian product of set A and B intersection C, that is set A is 1 2, Cartesian product of null. Therefore ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟು ಇಲ್ಲ, ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪೇರ್ಸ್ ಬರೆಯಕ್ಕೆ, therefore it is null set. Cartesian product of B intersection C is equal to null set. This is called as equation 1. Now equation 2 is, that is, first I am finding A cross B, that is set A is 1 2, cross set B is 1 2 3 4. Then Cartesian product of set A and set B is equal to 1 1 1 2 1 3 1 4, 1 1 1 2 1 3 1 4, and 2 1 2 1 2 2 2 3 2 4, 2 1 2 2 2 3 and 2 4. And Cartesian product of B A intersection C nodkolri. Sorry, Cartesian product of A and C, the set A has 1 2 and the set C has 5 6. That is, Cartesian product of AC is equal to 1 5 1 6 2 5 2 6. That is 1 5 1 6 2 5 2 6. This is the Cartesian product of this one. Now I am doing, this is called as equation 2, this is called as equation 3. From equation 2 and 3, Cartesian product of Cartesian product of A and B intersection Cartesian product of A and C is equal to Cartesian product of A and C ಮತ್ತೆ ಎ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬಿ ಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಗಿರೋಂಥ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪೇರ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಇದ್ರ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1,1 ಇದೆ, ದೇರ್ 1,1 ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1,2 ಇದೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ 1,1 ಇಲ್ಲ, 1,3 1,3 ಇಲ್ಲ, 1,4 1,4 ಇಲ್ಲ, 2,1 2,2 2,3 2,4. There is no elements, there is no common order pairs between Cartesian product of A and C and the Cartesian product of A and B. Therefore, Cartesian product, intersection of Cartesian product of A and B and the Cartesian product of A and C is null. Therefore, this is called as equation 4. From equation 1 and 4, from equation 1 and equation 4, therefore, A cross B intersection C is equal to Cartesian product of A and B intersection Cartesian product of A and C. This is your solution. Okay, write down. Next one. Second sub question. Second sub question, that is Cartesian product of A and C is a subset of Cartesian product of B and C ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Here second sub question ಗೆ solution, set A is equal to 1 2 and set C is equal to 5 6. Then Cartesian product of A and C is equal to 1 5 1 6 2 5 2 6, that is 1 5 1 6 and 2 5 2 5 2 6. This is the Cartesian product of A and C. Now set B is equal to 1 2 3 4 3 4 and set C is equal to 5 6. Then the Cartesian product of B and D, Cartesian product of set B and D is 1, 5, 1, 6, 2, 5, 2, 6, 3, 5, 3, 6, 4, 5 and 4, 6. Then write down all the elements, the order pairs. Then Cartesian product of set A and D is equal to 1 5 1 6 2 5 2 6 3 5 3 6 4 5 4 6. Now compare, this is called as equation 1, this is called as equation 2. Now compare, the order pair of 1 5 is present in the set ಇದು Cartesian product of A C L A and C L A 1 5 ಇದೆ order pair. Here also 1 5 is there. Next 1 6 is there. Here also 1 6 is there. Here 2 5 is there. Here also 2 5 is there. Here 2 6 is there. Here also 2 6 is there. Now write down all the ordered pairs of Cartesian product of A and B, Cartesian product of A and C is present in Cartesian product of B and D, Cartesian product of B and D. Therefore, Cartesian product of A and B and C as a subset of Cartesian product of B and D. This is the solution for your question number 7th question. Okay, write down. Okay, tomorrow I will continue your next class.